These are the breaks.
Clap your hands this evening. You got what it takes. I'm Brother P, and I want y'all to see these are the breaks. I said clap your hands this evening. You got what it takes. I'm Brother P, and I want y'all to see these are the breaks.
All right. Once upon a time, this is the story of 3 sheep, 3 little lambs, and these lambs was tired of being out in the field, so they decided it's time for us to build us some houses. It was cold outside. Build us some houses. And the first little lamb took his money. He built this little house out of straw. Save some money. The second lamb took his money that he got from, they were selling their wool. He made some money out selling the wool. He said, I'm going to build my house out of wood. And the third lamb said, I'm not going to try to save. I'm going to spend all my money on my house because it's very important. And I'm going to sell all my profits from selling that wool. And I'm going to build my house out of precious stones, pure silver and gold. Silver and gold. So he built his house. It was nice. Everybody was happy. You know what I'm saying? This is how it is. One day in the city came this another sheep, this another little lamb. He came up and he came to the door of the little one who had built his house out of straw, and he knocked on the door. He said, how you doing? Come in. Come in and show you what I got. I sell vacuum cleaners. I know y'all is some sheeps and y'all shed a lot of that wool. Y'all need some good vacuums. They said, yeah, come on in, sit on down. Let's see what you got going on. But, as he came in the house, this first little sheep knew that something was wrong. This guy wasn't right. So he's like, you got to get out of here. Yeah. So he escorted him out the house. But the sheep was mad. He wanted to sell him some vacuum cleaners. Got mad, and then the greedy, lustful side started coming out, and he said, listen, let me back in. And that little lamb said, not by the hair on this chinny chin chin. Well, that sheep that was kicked out on the outside, the vacuum salesman, he said, well, I'm gonna huff and puff and blow this whole straw house in. And I mean, and that straw just went up, whoosh. But that little sheep ran as fast as he can to his brother's house and jumped up in it. He said, listen, man, I don't know what's happening, but it's this crazy vacuum selling sheep down the street. And he coming his way. He followed me to your house. Don't let him in. So he knocked on the door. He said, little sheep, let me in. And both of them said, not by the hairs on our chinny chin chin. And the sheep said, well, I'm gonna huff and I'm gonna puff and I'm gonna blow your wood house in. And next thing you know, that wood just went up, poof, gone. Those 2 sheep got together and hauled hell to their big brother house. And let us in, man. This crazy vacuum selling sheep is down the street and he trying to get us. He mad because we won't buy no vacuum cleaners. Something ain't right with him. So they ran to their big brother house and they got in there and it was all good and they locked the door. So my man came to their house. He said, y'all can run, but you cannot hide. I saw exactly where you went. Now, I'm going to tell you one more time. Little sheep, let me in. He said they was in there together, not by the hairs on our chinny chin chin. He said, well, just like before, I'm going to huff and I'm going to puff and I'm going to blow this house in. It's a nice house, but I'm going to blow this house in. So he tried. Nothing happened. Then he tried again. And nothing happened. He was like, what is going on? Let me try one more time. He tried again. And nothing happened. And he stood out there, and that big brother who owned that house, who built that house out of precious stone, silver, and gold, he was like, listen, I'm about to go out there. His brother was like, nah, don't go out there. That's crazy. He said, nah, I discern something else. I don't think he's really crazy. I think he's possessed. And you remember when the Good Shepherd used to have us in the past, and he taught us that, in his name we should be able to cast out these demons and heal the sick and all that? Well, I'm not scared of him. because we wasn't given a spirit of fear, but a spirit of love and power and of sound mind. So I'm going out there and talk to him. So the brother went right outside. He went out there and he said, "Listen, you sheep, I bind that wolf spirit in the mighty name of Jesus." And he fell to the ground, and that wolf spirit came out of that sheep, and then they recognized him. It was their long lost brother, and they lived happily ever after.